Okay, so how you can rig your car. So this is the car model that I've created for my game that I'm creating. So I'm gonna show you how you can rig it. So first thing first, we need to parent some meshes that we don't want to use. So I'm gonna select my wheels, all of them like this, and then I'm gonna hit Control I, and then I'm gonna select my body chassis. So I'm gonna shift select to make it an active one, and then I'm gonna hit Control P, and then parent, set parent to object, keep transform, so that it won't make any issues or any mistakes. So once we've done that, we need to rename everything. We need to change the name for our body chassis and also our wheels. So I'm gonna do that right now. First thing, we're gonna select our body chassis as you can see here in our scene collection. I'm gonna double click, and then I'm gonna type def dot body, and then I'm gonna hit select. Same for the wheels. I'm gonna select my front wheel, my front left. So I'm gonna double click, and then I'm gonna type def dot wheel dot ft dot l. So make sure when typing the name, make sure it starts with capital letter. To see the wheel is capital letter W, the front is capital letter F, and the left is capital letter L. So I'm gonna do the very same thing in all of the wheels. So I'm gonna Control C, copy, and then I'm gonna select my right wheel like this, Control V, and then I'm gonna change L to R, hit select. So for the back wheels, we're gonna change a few things. First, okay, let me Control V, and then I'm gonna select my FT here. So I'm gonna change from FT to big K, so it stands for back. So I'm gonna select all, Control C, and then I'm gonna select my right back wheel, Control V, and then I'm gonna change from L to R like this. So once you've done that, you wanna select all, Shift A, car deformation rig. So if your rig comes like this, you see the bones, each bone is being placed on its individual wheel, and the body bone is placed in the middle of the car. So if your rig is like this, which means your rig will work perfect. So once you've done all of that, your rig is being selected. I'm gonna hit N, and then I'm gonna navigate to rig a car, and then I'm gonna click generate rig. So now we've generated our rig. So this is our rig. So if I select the suspensions and then I hit G to drag them, you see it works perfect. If I select my rotation wheel, my wheel rotates. If I select the drift, so my car will drift. So if I hit the ground sensors, you see the sensors work. If I want my wheels to turn, my wheels turn. So that's it, guys, for the video. If you find it helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing. It's very late for me. So yeah, the car is gonna be available on the link on the description if you wanna use it for your projects or any scene that you are creating. Stay creative. That's it for today's video, guys. I highly appreciate your time. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. If you have questions related to the software, let me know in the comments. But if I did good, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.